You may have heard of this thing called the design process and be wondering, what is this all about? Or maybe you've never heard of it, but you're a human living on Earth that encounters things that don't work perfectly, and you wonder, how can I make this better? The design process is essentially a system for problem solving and can be applied to a wide variety of problems, from simple things you might encounter in your day-to-day life, like how to best set up your living room, to more complicated problems with multiple stakeholders, like how to develop a contact tracing application in a pandemic, and everything in between. So, what is the design process? It depends on who you ask, but basically there are 4 phases: discovery, creation, reflection, and implementation. And one of the most important aspects of the process is that it is non-linear. So the steps are often presented in a linear order, but in reality, it might make more sense to create, then reflect, and then go back and create some more. So let's take a look at each of the phases. The first phase is discovery, and you might hear this phase referred to as the empathize phase, or understanding, or defining the problem. And basically, you're just conducting research to develop a better understanding of your users and the problem. So the next phase is creation, and you might also hear this referred to as ideation. And the idea here is to use your learnings from the discovery phase to generate as many possible solutions as you can. Really, more is better here in the ideation phase. The third phase is reflection. And this is an opportunity to test your prototypes, to reveal insights that redefine the problem or help you move towards a better solution. It's between these 2 steps, creation and reflection, that you're going to see a lot of this non-linear movement that we're talking about, where you come up with an idea, you develop a prototype, and then you move into this reflection stage where you're testing that prototype, and then you're going to get some learnings from your user testing, and then you might come back into the creation step. So you're going to see a lot of iteration. And the final stage is implementation, and this is really materializing your solutions, bringing the vision to life. This is launching the product and sort of the end of the process for now.